Hey y'all, my name is Destiny and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you already subscribed. Look at my new wig. It's from Julia Hair. It is sponsored. Shout out to Julia Hair for sending me this wig. In this video you'll see the unboxing. I did not include the plucking process because it's like 1,000 videos on how to pluck a lace on YouTube, but I did include like a 10-second clip of what the bleach looked like after I bleached the knots. So yeah, if you want like a super detailed video on how to install a lace wig, a lace frontal wig, it's like 1,000 of those videos on YouTube. This is just like the quickest or the easiest way to install a wig. I didn't use the wig cap, and I also decided not to do baby hair. I just plucked it a little bit, so I don't know. I really like this natural look. Like it's giving, I don't know who it's giving, but this is probably the best wig install I ever did. 13x4 lace frontal pre-plucked wig. It says pre-plucked, but I still like to pluck my own wigs. And yeah, make sure y'all check out the description box. I won't do too much talking, so here comes the video. Okay y'all, so this is the hair. I did put some lace tint in it. It's all the way over there though, so I have it on the screen because I don't feel like getting up. But yeah, it's looking pretty decent. It's still kind of wet if I'm being honest. I tried to blow dry it, but whatever. Like I said, it'll be in the description box. Whew, okay, now let's try to put it on. Okay. This is probably like gonna be the easiest install I do, if I'm being honest. I actually really hate closure wigs. Okay, I might have to get up anyway because my brush, can't find my brush. I don't see it. I'll be right back. Okay, so since I went ahead and got my brush, I went ahead and picked up the lace tint that was over there. This is the lace tint that I use on my lace. Yeah, I'm basically out of it, as you can hear. So where do I start? I haven't installed a wig in forever, y'all. I don't know where to start. Okay, I ain't did a closure wig in so long. So I'm gonna take my got to be glue and just, I really don't know, did I used to do it on the ends or the middle? I'm gonna go ahead and do the middle, because why would I start off doing the ends? I really haven't installed a closure wig in so long though, so that's what's throwing me off. I mean a frontal wig. I haven't installed a frontal wig in a long time. Usually I do closure wigs. My camera looking a little dark. Oh well. I don't feel like changing it. So yeah, it looks dark. Hold up. Okay, I think it looks normal now. Okay, got to be glue. Then I'm gonna take my comb. And usually what I do with my comb, ew, what's that on my comb? Something on my comb. Okay. Take a little bit of glue at a time and just rub it on there basically. Okay, I don't know why, but I just remembered to email Julia Hair about something, so that's what I was just doing. Cause I'm like, what am I supposed to be putting in my description box? I don't know if y'all getting a discount code or what, but by the way, I have my blow dry on low. Something is wrong with my camera settings. Like I look really white, but when I change it, I look really dark. So I prefer to look like this because when I'm darker, I can't really like fix it. But if I'm lighter, I think I can fix it on my settings when I edit. So hopefully I don't look that dark when y'all watch this. Okay. I used to never really blow dry when I used to install wigs, but now I do. I just feel like it's a lot better. And then I just kind of hold it for a little while. And then I get that same comb, same rat tail comb, and press down under here. Cause sometimes it just look weird if you don't press it down. And then I take my blow dryer again. Too much stuff over here. Installing the wig is honestly all about just gluing, pressing. It's something on the end of my comb because I'm pulling this in because I don't want none of those little weird like air bubbles to get under the lace. If you know, you know. If you don't, then I don't know. Okay, so that's how I'm looking so far. I think it looks okay, but I'm obviously not done. I gotta do the side. Then I'm gonna press it down with my, oh, this is dirty. I haven't washed it in so long. I'm gonna press it down with my elastic band, and then I'm gonna go in and see if I gotta do anything else. But that's really all doing your wig is. You do not need a wig cap if you don't want one. I know that I don't like to wear my wigs to bed, so I don't even bother to put a wig cap on. It's like, what's the point? I'm literally about to take it right off after I do the videos and take the pictures. So we'll do the video and take some pictures. Then I'll make a couple TikToks, and then that's really it. I like to feel my scalp at night, so that's why I don't wear a wig cap. It's just, I don't think I have to. So I'm gonna repeat what I just did in this section to this side and then that side. Just put the glue, blow dry, press, pull, do all the extra stuff. Okay, y'all, so did the middle, did this side, did that side. Now I'm gonna take my elastic band. Although you see all that crusty stuff on there, it's not gonna get on my hair because it's all dried up crust. And I just kind of pull it and then make sure I got it on my edges. Now try not to do it too tight because I don't want those lines on my forehead, but I really just gotta tie it once. And then kind of do like that, and then do like that. I mean, I don't have to pull it out from under it, but you know. Yeah, I'm gonna let it sit. It's 2:50, y'all, so I'm gonna let this sit until for 10 minutes. So at 3 o'clock I'm gonna come back. I'm about to go ahead and plug in my flat iron because I think I want to do straight today. I never do straight hair, so this will sit for 10 minutes. I'll probably, you know, make sure I go in and do like this, apply a little bit more pressure. But yeah, that was a quick and easy install. I did that. But we'll see how it turned out because I still gotta do my baby ears too, so. Okay, y'all, so I know I said 3 o'clock, but then I realized it's 2:57, so it's been on for 7 minutes. But I just decided to take this off and then tie it under so that all of my hair can be free, so that I can keep it on longer and I can straighten my hair while I have it on. So so let's see how it looks. Let's see. But I still got it on. I like how thick this hair is, but it's also not too thick. I'm about to use this hair serum. I always use this. This is like, I don't know, like an OG product or something. I don't know. I always use this right before I like straighten or curl my hair. And a lot go a long way. So yeah, I think I'm gonna straighten it. I don't want to go for like a bone straight look. I want kind of like just a straight look, a little bit texture. As you can see, this is body wave hair, so it's thick, and I'm pretty sure it can get really bone straight, but I don't know. I'm going for a certain look, like a textured straight look. So ooh, I could crimp it. I have my crimper thingy down there. Kinda don't want to though. Okay. So not too bad. My forehead is so big. Okay, so I obviously have lines and marks on my forehead from the elastic band. I kind of want to go for the no baby hair look though. Like, I kind of like it. Should I do no baby hairs? I kind of like the no baby hairs look. I don't have to hit it with a hot comb again. I can do like something like that. I kind of like it. I'm not doing no baby hairs. I'm not doing no baby hairs. So while I'm still sitting right here playing with my hair, I do want to talk about the only thing I don't like about this wig. So I will include footage of me bleaching the knots. And when I bleached the knots, like after I bleached it, when I was washing the bleach off, my hair got really tangly. I don't think it ever happened to me before. I mean, it got right out once I just added some conditioner to it, but for somebody that don't know much about wigs, like, you'll probably think that your wig is ruined because it was like a ball of hair. Like, it was really tangly. So hold up, y'all. I think I'm here for this no baby hair look. Let me see what Instagram got to say. Oh, it looked good on Instagram. I like it. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Yeah, that's the only thing I didn't like about it. When I bleached the knots, like once I washed the bleach off, it got really tangly, like a ball of hair. I probably should have took a picture of it so y'all can see what I'm talking about, because it probably happened to some people, but that has never happened to me. So make sure y'all check out the description box for, I don't know what's gonna be in the description box, but make sure y'all check that out. Subscribe to this channel, follow me on my Instagram, TikTok. Don't follow me on Twitter. But yeah, that's the end of the video.